Hey friends, we're here to do a mini little Christmas binder stuffing. Actually, it's not really that mini. I am putting 85 bucks in here today, which I think is a pretty good amount. So let's get going. I'm going to show you where the money's coming from. Okay, so this money is coming from an Etsy payout. The Etsy payout was $161, and I'm going to do 40 to taxes and 40 to Christmas. This is just like some credit card payments. So $40 from an Etsy payout, and then 45 from my YouTube check for this month. Honestly, I was just going to do the 40, but I thought that was really small for Christmas binder stuffing to kind of have its own video, which was my goal, a separate video. That money would go in like a second and the video would be 2 minutes long. So I took some money also from my YouTube check. So we're putting 85 bucks in, and yes. So thank you. This video would not be possible without you. Between the YouTube money, the Etsy money, it's all from you guys. And just thank you so much. Let's actually set this to the side here, and let's start with the taxes. My dog is barking in the background, so if you hear that, I'm sorry. So we have $40 going to taxes, and let me go ahead and add that on my tracker here real quick. All right, so we're going to add in the 40 bucks, and let's see how much we have. 5, 6, 650, 70, 690, 710, 730, 740, 1, 2, 3, 743. So we need just under $60 to get to the goal of 800 by September 15th. September 15th, yes. And once again, I still didn't color that, and that's fine. I'll color that at some point, maybe, or maybe I won't. Okay. That is done. Let's check that off our little to-do list here, because that's what I like to do. So taxes, check. All right, and then once again, like I said, we have $85 here. So 10, 20, 30, 5, 45, 55, 60, 62, 4, 6, 8, 70, 72, 4, 6, so 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. I only have 4 ones here. I hope I can make it work. I have no ones left. I need to do a condensing. So that's going to be on the list for when I return from vacation, because I need some ones. Okay, so let's start here. This is my Black Friday Savings Challenge. I finally put it in the front because it's a priority. Each one of these little bags is $10, and let's do 10 for now. I really kind of want to do 20, but then I won't have really that much for other challenges. So let's do 10 for now. I could always come back if I decide to. Let's throw a 10 in here and see what we have now. We have 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So we're almost at 200. Yes, love that. Okay, I see an IOU $4, which I do not like, but we're going to take it off, and we're going to add 4 bucks. So 2 and 4. And then we're going to scratch another one on here. So this one is from Janelle over at Janelle Ray Budgets. We're working on this one. This is the last one in a set of 3. We already did the other 2. So let's see what we have today. 5 bucks. And I have been working on these Christmas challenges all year long, and I just love it. I think it's so much fun. And yeah, it's just kind of hard to believe that we're already in August. My goal is to have all of my money saved by October, the end of October. So really, it's only 2.5 months away. And that just seems insane to me. Okay, so 50, 70, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 25, 125, 27, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 139, I believe that was. And remember, that's not just from this scratch off. That's also from the 2 other ones I did before that. I really wonder how close I'm getting. Did I add the 4? I think I did, right? Yeah, I believe I added the 4. Jeez. All right, this one is from Budget with Mama Bear. This one has the potential to take all my money. So let's go here. Okay, an 8. That's not too bad. So this side, this is actually a double-sided one, and this side is $100. The other side is $50, and we already finished that. So these are obviously bigger numbers. So let's put in 8, 2, 5, 7, and 8. Although, maybe I should do a 10. If I have $2 to pull, I'm going to do a 10. I do. Perfect. Okay, so let me pull a 10. Put back this 8 before I forget why it's there. All right, so in here we have 50, 70, 90, 100, and 5. And it should be 150 when it's all done. So 45 bucks left to go on that one. Next, we have this adorable little snowman here from Ellie on Earth. I just love this one. He's so cute. I mean, you know I love things with little cute, adorable faces. And so, I mean, come on. He's adorable, but I also want to eat him. Is that weird? All right, $3. I think let's go again. 6. So that is $9. And let's put in 9. $9 going in. I do have a 10. Let's see if I have a 1. Perfect. I'm going to pull out a 1 and put in a 10. 10, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3. $33. This is a $65 one, so we're just about halfway there on this one as well. Yes. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, I feel like the money is already almost gone. All right, let's see. This one is from Tracy over at Golden Girl Budgets. Again, another one with the freaking adorable faces. This one is a heavy hitter. It's 125 and the numbers are bigger. So $9, that is fine with me, and that's all we're gonna do on this one. 5, 7, 9. Okay. So in here we now have 10, 15, 25, 30, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2. $42. I need to get going on this one. It's 125 and we only have 42. Ouch. All right, next. Nigel's Nuts. Okay, this is an OG from Liz over at Liz and Les, and each of these nuts is 10. Let's just do 1 nut because I don't think we're gonna have much more to do than that. If we do that, wow, I can't speak. If we do more than 1 nut, I'm not gonna have money left. That's what I'm trying to say. Jeez Louise, words are hard. Okay, so 20, 35, 45, $50 in here. This is a $150 challenge. So again, we need to get working on this one. Each of the nuts are 10, if I didn't say that. So these back ones, we got to get working on. But the front ones, I feel like we're getting close to finishing. And so once we finish those, we can put more into those back ones. All right, here's another super OG from Liz and Les. And let's do a 15 while I have $15. So 5, 10, 12, 14, 15. This is Hide the Sausage, and we're chomping down on it, baby. So 15. And we have 25 left to go on that one, so that one's not too bad. I definitely need to do a condensing. I have to remember to do that when I return. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 40, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 55. And so, what's it, $80, I guess? An $80 challenge? Okay, so we're getting there with that one. All right, last but not least, we have our 25 envelope. Let's see what we have left. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, exactly $10. And our 10 is taken. I kind of want to just go back to Tracy's because that was a big one. And yeah, we need to get working on this one. So we only have $10. I feel like we're going to scratch one that's higher than a 10. But let's see. Let's hope luck is on my side. I feel like I want to go here. What do you guys think? We need a 10. If I can get exactly a 10, then I should just basically play the lottery. Okay, a 5. Okay. At first, I saw the snowman's arm, and I was like, what? Is that a 50-something? Even though I know she wouldn't do that, but... Okay, 5. Let's go again. We're just going to have an IOU. I've accepted it. Let's just go here. 9. Okay, yep. So, $14, and we have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so look at that. That actually worked out perfectly because I already have this IOU here. By the way, these are available in my Etsy shop, little magnetic bookmarks. These ones are Christmas themed, but I do have non-holiday ones as well. But, I mean, that really couldn't have worked out more perfectly unless we got a 10 right off the bat and I didn't have an IOU. So, out of the 125, we now have 10, 15, 20, 5, 30, 32, 4, 6, 8, 9, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2. $52 plus the 4, so 56, I think. So, okay, we're getting there. We have a little bit of work to do on that one. Oh, that's the wrong envelope. I was like, oh, there's more money in here. Nope, it's just the wrong envelope, Wendy. Get a grip. All right, let's clip the 4 on here. That is it, my friends. Once again, thank you so much for watching. This is getting kind of chunky, so yes, I need a condensing. I need to write a note for myself. I'm going to go do that now because y'all know I will literally forget as soon as I stop recording. Okay. That is it. I love you guys. I really do. I hope you're having a great day, a great week, a great month, and a great year. Maybe I'm going to start saying that every video. But truly, I do hope that you are having a great day and week and month and year all the time because I love you guys. You're my family, and I love being here, chatting with you, and I appreciate you also. So that is it. I'm going to stop rambling. I'm going to shut up. But I will see you in the next one. Bye.